Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all had an amazing festive season. I'm back at Braeside Park and I'll be doing a little bit of bird photography again. It's been almost 2 months since the last time I was here. Hopefully we'll be able to spot a few red-rumped parrots again and hopefully get a little bit closer and get better shots. I'm gonna go down to the wetland area. Right now we are on this little trail. It's gonna take us about another 10 minutes or so, and then we set up there with my tripod. Hopefully get some footage as well as stills. I also wanted to mention that we reached a significant milestone. We got 1,000 subscribers. Finally, we got there before the end of the year. I want to thank you, each and every one of you, for your support. It really means a lot. Anyway, we're almost at the lake and I can't wait to start taking some shots. Hopefully, we'll spot a few bird species. We're at the wetland area right now and I'm gonna start recording this beautiful Australasian dada that is drying its wings. Such a beautiful species. It really is gorgeous. There are a couple of other photographers nearby. Such an awesome area. It's really nice and calm, serene here. Not much going on. I can see a few black swans. They're just relaxing, half asleep on the other side of the pond. I don't want to talk too loud. Hopefully you guys can hear everything that I'm saying. I don't want to scare any birds away or affect, the other photographers. I'm going to start recording the black swans now. Maybe get a little bit closer from here. Let's see. Oh, I forgot that the stabilizer was still on, which is a bummer. That is so lovely. They just started preening themselves. They might be the exact same swans that I saw last time. A couple of chestnut teals just swam by. They're so gorgeous. There's a lot of action. It's just so calming to be here. I really could just sit here all day long, doing nothing, just observing and recording these videos. But I want to start taking the stills as well. I'm going to start taking some stills now. Make sure that the stabilizer is on at 400 now. Just switching to silent mode. Moving the focus point to the left side. Come on, look at us. There you go. Chimping a little bit, making sure that I didn't blow out any highlights. It's printing itself right now. Such a beautiful species. I'm just gonna wait here until the other pied cormorants arrive. I'm gonna take a picture of these ducks and their reflection. But it's a new bird that I haven't seen before. So beautiful. I'm not sure what it is. It's gorgeous. Maybe he's gonna fly towards me, so I'm gonna just wait here. Might take off. I've never seen this many wildlife photographers at this spot before. A lot of cormorants are flying in and out as well, so I'm gonna try and capture a couple of in-flight shots and see how we go. Just gonna put this down here. Hopefully this is gonna be stable enough. It's better. Such a beautiful bird. I really love the way the light is being reflected off the water. It's beautiful. Oh my god. I just captured a new species in flight. I just captured a series of shots of a snakebird feeding the juveniles. Let's have a look at them now. Yeah, definitely deep throat monsters. It's a beautiful swan just swimming towards us. I'm gonna take a vertical shot of these two snake birds. The other one is gonna look this way. Come on, turn. Unfortunately, we are close to Moorabbin Airport and there's a lot of activity right now, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. I spotted a couple of spoonbills. They're a bit too far away. I'm still gonna grab one shot on top of that eucalyptus. Maybe underexpose a little bit just to make sure that the white plumage is not blown out. I'm just gonna take my time here because I really want to capture a series of shots of this Australasian data as it takes off. It's been perched on that branch for quite some time, but I think once the wings are fully dried, it's eventually gonna leave. I love the way the juvenile keeps looking up at the adult, which is perched on the top. Another Australasian dada or snakebird just flew in, and I managed to grab a series of in-flight shots just before it landed on that dead tree. Right now, the juvenile is being fed by the adult. It's unreal. Amazing. Wow. There's some serious feeding frenzy going on. Both the darters and the cormorants are building their nests just on that small island. This spoonbill just got a little bit closer to us. Looks so cool. Hopefully it's gonna take off and fly towards us. That would be amazing. Such a beautiful species. I managed to grab a few more in-flight shots. I thought that a little bit of feeding action was gonna ensue after this other darter arrived, but not much is going on. I just grabbed a couple of photos as it was yawning. I can see a few ducklings, at least half a dozen, following their mum. They're so cute. Too far away, but hopefully if I crop in, you will still be able to see them. I think I'm gonna wrap this up for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little bird photography adventure. Hope you like the images and the footage that I managed to grab. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys very soon in the next one.